In this video I'm going to show you how to use the auto plot function within Woodwork for Inventor. This allows you to output full working drawings for the workshop floor. So you just click on the auto plot function. Here, if you have one already set up for the bill of materials, say, it'll actually bring it in to here. This next option, you can pick your template. This is a number of templates which Woodwork for Inventor which are standard for Woodwork for Inventor. Right here, I'm just gonna go. Each component has a separate file and a holes table. Sorry. With this icon here, this actually allows you to modify the template. So I'm just going to click that. Sorry. It'll open up a drawing sheet and say if you want your own border, you can delete this border and actually import your own from your standard drawing if you have one. But I'm just going to use that ordinary one. So I'm going to go back to Woodwork Design. Use auto plot. I'm going to use that standard one that I have there. This just saves where you're going to save it, so I'm just going to save it to my desktop with the parts. This PCB desktop, find the folder here. I'm just going to save it there. And start plot, and this is going to bring each part into a drawing of its own. It'll also give us a holes table with all the X, Y's and Z's required to bore each hole. This will take a couple of minutes maybe, depending on the detail that's in the drawing. Now it's done, so you can open up the drawing automatically by just clicking yes. You can see here, this is my top. You can see over here, this brings the names where we named them back in the very first drawing. So you can bring it in here. This is the top. You have all your holes here for your cams, your connecting bolt and your dowels. You can see we've got them the whole way around. As you can see too, they're labelled, so with C3 here, we go over to our holes diagram and see C3, which is that, and there's the dimensions for it. Oh, sorry. There's dimensions for it. So you can see this is the same for each thing. There's obviously no holes in the back, so there's nothing for it. There's the base, the door. You can see with the hinge holes. Left gable, again you can see there's each part has its own holes table, and here you can actually see here's the part name, and it's what it's made from. It's laminated board, it's laminated MDF, or sorry, chipboard. It gives you the colour code, your material width, your length and your thickness. So that's how you output drawings for Woodwork.